It's that time of year again, the weekly start of our fishing tips. Today our hosts Ray Gildow of the Nisswa Guides League and Mandy Ehrig, the bassing biologist, take you how to stay safe on the water.
Hello again everyone and welcome to the 2018 fishing tips season. We're very happy to have you with us again. And we'd like to start out our first segment in studio talking about safety. In 2017 we lost 12 individuals to drowning. And anything we can do to prevent a drowning is something that's well worth our time to spend talking about. So tonight we're going to talk a little bit about life jackets and a few other things that it's important to have in the boat when you're out fishing.
We'll start with the level 2. So you can see this level 2 life jacket. These are for near shore, quick rescues, nice to have in the boat. You'll also notice with these, there is a chest size and a weight size specifically on these life jackets. It's really important to make sure that you have a life jacket that fits the people that are in the boat that we're going to need them. Moving over, these are level 3. So this is a level 3 life jacket. There again, has the chest size and the weight restrictions for what size you need to be to make sure that it fits you specifically. These are more the ones that you're going to have for maybe water activities and boating fun. Also, another level 3, you don't really see these much or think about it, but this is actually a life jacket. It's super nice, especially in spring and fall, that you've got it built right into it.
And a level 4 is a throwaway, and they come in a variety of different styles. You can see those that are little like tires, white tires with ropes on them. It's important on any of the life jackets that you use that they are U.S. Coast Guard certified. That's very, very important. So this is a throwaway. All boats should have a throwaway in the boat in case something happens and someone goes overboard and they need some extra help. So that's a level 4. Level 5, there's a variety of level 5s. This happens to be a cartridge life jacket, which means if you fall in, this one is automatic or manual. You can pull the string and it'll inflate. Or if you want to use it, set it on automatic. It has a bobbin in it and it has a CO2 cartridge, and as soon as that water hits that bobbin, it blows up, and it really does do a nice job of keeping your neck up and keeping you floating. A couple other things you should have in your boat. Be sure you have a fire extinguisher. Very, very important that everyone have a fire extinguisher. And finally, have a whistle. If you don't have a whistle in your boat and you lose a horn, this is a backup that you could really use. I'm Ray Gildow with the Nisswa Guides League.
And I'm Mandy Ehrig, the bassing biologist.
Good to have them back for another year.
Absolutely, you'll be on the water soon, I'm sure.
Yep, two more in the studio, and then we're out on the water showing you how to catch those fish.
All right, look forward to that.
If you enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland PBS.